Hello everyone, welcome back. Disputebee versus Versio versus Disputebee. These are three platforms people use to help fix or improve their credit by handling credit report disputes. In this video, I'll explain what each one is for and help you decide which fits your situation best. Let's start with Disputebee. Disputebee gives you tools to generate dispute letters and track your credit repair progress. It's known for being fairly easy to use and helping people simplify the dispute process without having to do everything by hand. Many users say the interface is simple and the letter generation makes things faster. Next up is Versio. Versio is focused on helping you dispute negative items across all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Using smart imports and AI-powered dispute letter tools, it automatically pulls your credit reports, highlights what's hurting your score, and helps you create strong dispute letters you can print and send. Finally, Disputebee is another credit repair software that walks you step by step through importing your credit reports, generating dispute letters, and managing your disputes over time. It has automated tools and templates to make the process less confusing, and it works for both individuals and professionals. So, what's the difference? Disputebee focuses on a simple, streamlined dispute experience. Versio puts an emphasis on pulling all three bureau reports and using smart dispute strategies. And Disputebee offers a guided system with automation and tools to help you manage disputes easily. If you want something that feels easy and straightforward, use Disputebee. If you want full three bureau import and AI-assisted dispute strategy, go with Versio. If you want a guided system with good templates and automation tools, use Disputebee.